Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be making breadfruit punch for you guys. Oh yes. So yes guys, as I said before, today I'll be making some breadfruit punch for you guys. So let me go ahead and remove the skin from this breadfruit. So firstly, you want to cut your breadfruit in half, and then you're gonna cut again in quarter. This way it's much easier for you to remove the skin from the breadfruit. Yeah man, remove all the skin guys. And I will be removing the heart of the breadfruit. The center part, we call it the heart of the breadfruit. And I don't want this inside of my breadfruit punch. Yeah man. So now guys, I'm gonna cut the breadfruit in wedges. And then from there, into smaller pieces. This way, it allows the breadfruit to cook faster. Yeah man, small pieces. And you want to put your breadfruit in water. Yeah man, cool water. This prevents oxidation. Yeah man, you don't want your breadfruit to become dark while you're peeling them. Yeah man. So I'm just gonna continue removing the skin. Yeah man, just like that. And guys, this breadfruit punch, it is an amazing one. Yeah man, full body. Yes man, this one is nice and creamy. Yeah man, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece in smaller pieces also. I want when my breadfruit is cooked, it's easily cooled down, because I don't want to put this hot breadfruit inside of my blender. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now is rinse them off. Yeah man, get them all clean. So guys, I have a pot of water already on the stove boiling, so I'm gonna put my breadfruit inside, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes guys, now my breadfruit are tender. I'm gonna remove them from the fire and get it cooled down. So my method of getting this cooled down is putting it into ice cold water. Yeah man. So guys, these are a bit of the ingredients that I will be using. Yeah man. Not bit. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using. So I'll be putting some peanut inside of my blender, and I'll be adding a little bit of the water from the breadfruit inside of my blender to get my peanut nicely blend. And guys, the water that you use to cook your breadfruit, you don't want to throw it away. That's why we make sure that we wash the breadfruit before cooking. Yeah man, I want to get this peanut nicely blend. Yeah man, look on it guys. Yeah man, look, this is perfect guys. This is the consistency I want to see. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my breadfruit, my cooked breadfruit, inside of the blender. Water and all. Guys, this juice is a delicious one. Breadfruit punch. Guys, please give it a try. Once you have access to these ingredients, give it a try, guys. This breadfruit punch is just amazing. And I want to take this time out to big up all my supporters. Yeah man, I really appreciate you guys. Continue to share out my video, thumbs up my video. Yeah man, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do so. So right here guys, I'm getting the breadfruit blend. Yeah man, nice and creamy. It's a little bit thick guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a fork to get the blender a little bit loosened up. Yeah man, just like that. Yeah man, put the blend again. Alright guys, this is looking perfect. Yeah man guys, take a look. See, nice and creamy. The breadfruit punch is coming together guys. Yeah man, perfect breadfruit punch coming from Chef André Davy. Yeah man. So guys, right here I'm gonna put some vanilla essence inside. Roughly 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And I'll be adding some cinnamon inside. Wow, cinnamon in the breadfruit punch guys, it's just amazing. So now guys, I'm adding some grated nutmeg. Look, isn't it beautiful guys? Yeah man, this gonna be amazing, full of flavor. This is a perfect breadfruit punch guys. Yeah man, you can have this any time of the day. Yeah man, this is like a superfood guys, you know, like your Ensure or your Nutrimix. Yeah man, this is it man, superfood. So I'm gonna go in with a can of Irish mash. This gonna give my breadfruit a nice creamy texture. Yeah man, yeah man, and had more body inside. So guys, right here I'm putting some Dragon Stout inside. This one has alcohol inside, so if you're not a person that like to consume alcohol, you can go ahead for Malta. Yeah man, that will be perfect also. Or you can just leave out the Dragon Stout because this one is just optional. Or if you like alcohol the real way, yeah man, you can go ahead and put some rum inside also. So guys, right here I'm blending, you know, getting all my ingredients mixed together. I'm using some condensed milk here guys. Yeah man, this is the perfect sweetener for this kind of punch. Condensed milk. So guys, you want to sweeten this to your liking. Yeah man, if you like it sweet, you add more. If you don't like it as sweet, you can adjust the sweetness. So I'm gonna put the blend again. Yeah man, this is looking amazing guys. Yeah man. So my breadfruit punch is ready guys, and it's best served when chilled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some crushed ice, or perhaps some ice cubes inside of a cup. Yeah man. So now that I have my ice inside of my glass, I'm gonna go ahead and pour you guys some. Guys, just look on the texture. See, as I said before, full body. Yeah man, full strength. And guys, this is a perfect breadfruit punch. Yeah man, so go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste this one. Wow, look at this. Come here. Yeah man, guys, this is perfect. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.